with a very special guest, Awais Bhai. Thank you, Awais Bhai, for joining the invitation of my podcast.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Lee. Thank you so much for having me on your show.
Welcome. Can you introduce you a little bit to my audience
Yes, for sure,
and to
for sure,
yeah.
for sure. I would like to introduce myself for your wonderful audience. My name is Abbas Islam. I'm the CEO of Apple UAE. It's a US brand which sell used Apple products, uh, and you can say it's the only brand in UAE market which have 2,500 video reviews about their product and service. So that's our flex as a being Appleman CEO, that we are in Pakistan proud with our quality service.
Okay, very nice. So, can you? The first question is about: Can you provide a brief overview of your business and its core mission or values?
Yes, yes, I like to share with you. The core business value and core mission of our business is providing. Can you imagine a company name which provide the used consumer electronics with the same trust as you buying a new? Can you find any company name?
Sorry.
I think you
Uh,
can't. If I ask you one company name where you feel satisfied buying a new product, but you are buying in use, find any company which providing that satisfaction.
uh, Probably I don't explore
You
these
you want
about the niche
you want find.
specific or like this
You
is
will not.
mobile related or what
Yes, yes,
is
yes.
specific
And
niche.
any consumer electronic product, no? Any consumer. I think you will not find because I didn't find as well as. So here, the Appleman is the company which provide the value to the customer that if they are buying in use, they can still get the value against their
Okay.
money. So that's the vision of my business. And in UAE, you may know that we, being Pakistani, have a very bad review about our quality of service and our commitment. So Appleman make sure that our image has been revised and we will provide the quality service and all the things. So that's our
Okay.
vision, that we have to make Pakistan proud as well as have to earn some money as well as cater the market which is have the huge gap regarding consumer electronics.
Okay. Very nice. The next question is what inspired you to start your own business and how it has evolved over time?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. You need a realistic answer or you need a fancy answer?
Both, both.
Well, the realistic answer that I was looking for the on my uh, may actually I want to make my needs fulfill. I have to run my business. I have to earn some money. So that's a simple motive to start the business. Okay, and the fancy that I want to serve and all the thing, that's a secondary part. But being a businessman, I have to be honest that I started the business just one.
Okay. Very nice. The next question is how do you approach strategic planning for business growth and what key factors do you consider?
Actually, my business is specifically customer oriented. So business growth strategy all totally depend on the customer. We gather the data, we collect the data, we analyze the data what customer are requiring. So our business planning and strategy all are the customer centric. So there is not much which I could share with you because it's very basic. We understand what customer looking for, what price range is customer looking for, what issues customer are facing. So we try to resolve that issue with the example that in UAE market, customer is facing that many scammers are available online. They show one product and deliver one product. So our business strategy was that we will make sure that customer only pay each and product we offer before pay at the time of delivery. So it's the only company which offer that service as well as that's our strategy for business growth. We are making expand in this field as well as.
Very nice. And meanwhile, the next question: Can you share a specific instance where strategic planning played a crucial role in the success of your business?
Actually, every business in non my business in every business strategic planning plays a huge role. explained in the example that if I not plan strategically that I need to introduce a service which offer customers the check pay, how Appleman can survive, how Appleman can secure 2500 reviews from the customer. That's a strategy. So you have to analyze your customer, have to know your strengths, and you have to merge that.
Okay. So, how do you conduct market research to identify opportunities and challenges in your industry?
As I mentioned before, we talk to the customer. Your customer is the only source which tell you what they need. Okay, if I can be very fantasize here, I can say that I use the AI tools all the thing, but to be very honest, there's a bullshit. We need to talk to the customer. Okay, so we analyze our identify our challenges by talking to the customer.
Okay. So, what tools do you find most effective for anybody or you for competitive analysis?
Actually, for corporate for analysis any businesses, you need to understand your competitor. For that you have to order the service, you have to order the product, then you can analyze. I have a very realistic approach about business. I say that you have to need any tool or all the thing, you can use the OpenSuggest, Google Trend or all the thing, but being a businessman you have to understand the other business strategy, but you can only do that by getting their service or product. So we do by these things, we order to our competitor, we check how they are pricing, how they are providing the value. It's a simple technique.
Okay, very nice. The next part is the like customer centric approach, and the question is, how do you ensure a customer centric approach in your business, and what strategies do you use to understand and meet customer needs?
Actually, you have to understand, when you take money from any customer, then you are liable. Okay, offering customer to check before pay. We are offering 30 days replacement warranty. We offer 30 days free upgradation warranty. So these are the all techniques or which is we are using that to make the Apple Man as a customer centric brand. Okay, so we are only working on the customer needs.
Okay, very nice. And next is the one is about the partnership and collaboration. And the question is, have a partnerships or collaboration played a role in your business development? How do you choose the right partners?
Actually, still now, Apple Man is a seed funding company. We don't have any very much positive about partnership, because partnership played a huge role in your success. And I can say a good partner can play a catalyst in your business. They can bring a huge customer resource as well as a strategic resource. So very positive about the partnership, but till now, as per my business is concerned, I have not done any partnership.
Okay. And what advice do you have for the business looking to establish successful collaborations to in
You
order to
have
get
to be very
the clients, in
yes,
order to
yeah,
get the clients and all of that stuff?
anything you are developing business, you are doing client, whatever you are doing, you have to be very clear. You must document your journey, you must write your complete detail in documenting form so that your collaboration will be successful. If you are doing everything on word to word only, then the partnership will be failed. I have seen many businesses which are very doing great, but they fail due to the due partnership. You have to be very specific about the collaboration and partnership.
Okay. The next is adapting to the change, and in the question is, in rapidly changing business environment, how do you stay adaptable and resilient?
When you are talking to the customer, you are adaptive. If you are not talking to the customer, you are not getting feedback, you are not adaptive. So our business is customer centric. We are always adaptive after the getting customer feedback. Okay, so if you want to be adaptive, I'm talking totally about the product based business. Okay, it could be applied for the service based business as well. As being adopting, it's a very 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 important field as a CEO, as a company owner, or as an employee as well. As so you have to adopt, or you can adopt the change by talking to your customer only.
Okay. Very nice. And can you share experience where your business successfully navigated a major change or challenge?
Actually, the whole journey which I have already explained with you, that's a complete challenging. We are sitting in Pakistan, we are operating in UAE, we have to challenge the language barrier, the time barrier, the psychological issues. But successful business, Appleman is example. I'm not saying that it's owned by me. People say that we have good service and all the things. That's why I can say that's a complete example of the challenging business.
Very nice. Are you operating a business living in the Pakistan? Operating business
Yes,
in
yes,
Dubai?
yes, I'm living in Pakistan and operating my business in UAE. Although I
Very
have my
nice.
other UAE available, and we have team available in Pakistan as well as in UAE.
So can you give us some tips and advices? Anybody who's want to start the business living in the Pakistan, in Dubai or UAE?
Actually, you have to understand business in everywhere have the same basic rules. Okay, you have to check your capacity first of all. Being CEO, I can suggest you that you have to check your capacity. If you are good in digital marketing, go with a digital marketing business. Don't go with a service model or any other model. Okay, you have to check your strengths, then you go to the business. The issue in our side is that if we are saying that some person is working in UAE, have to go also in UAE. If someone is working in USA, then we have to go as well as to the USA. It's not the necessary part. You can fulfill your necessary action by working in Pakistan finally. First, make sure you get the mindset. Okay, how a business run. If you want to work on the, let's suppose you want to work in Amazon, you first have to learn how Daraz work, how Facebook market. Okay, when you get the understanding of the e-commerce business, then you can good to go. The issue in our generation is that they all want to go to the US market. They don't know how SOPs work, how the customer shipment work, how the customer care work. They just want to earn in the dollars. So you have to understand, if you want to start business, go with a small market, make yourself a expert in that market, then go to the bigger market. Otherwise in the bigger market, bigger market will.
Okay, very nice. And how much it cost to start a business in Dubai or UAE?
QA have a very flexible model, which starting from 10,000 dirham to up to 50,000 dirham, depending on the business nature. Okay, so it's totally depend what are your business. Business registration cost before this year was very. Now they are reducing the price and all the things. So it's a very good time to go to the UAE market. It's
Okay,
depending on the business.
okay, very nice. And the next question is, how does technology play a role in your business development strategy, and how do you stay updated or industry trends?
Actually, me and my team do the continuous on Google Trend and all the updated models. We read on that. We keep eye on our competitor business by using Facebook tools, Facebook ad library, and different ads tools. That's a simple. You have to be active in the market. Simple. There is nothing more.
Okay. So, can you highlight an instance where implementing innovative solution positively impact your business or someone
I
business
didn't get your
who
point.
want to implement these things? Any devices?
I didn't get your question. What the purpose of that question actually?
Let's say in the question, what marketing strategies have been most effective for your business, and how do you approach branding to stand out in the market?
Customer centric. I must say that the branding strategy was totally customer centric. We were getting customer reviews, we are advertising on the reviews, we are making social proof. So that's the simple brand strategy which I use. And I think in any business, getting your customer feedback and telling to the customer that can generate a huge margin for you.
And how you do marketing, and what are your marketing strategies or plan?
Actually, we do different marketing techniques. We use the omni-channel approach. We do on the TikTok, we do on the Facebook, we do on the Pinterest, we do on the social media, all the platform we
Can
use,
you
and
tell the
cumulatively.
layman? Can you please tell the layman what is omni-channel marketing?
Omni-channel mean every platform which have customer available, you are advertising on that, means omni-channel. You have available on the all channels.
Okay, so Can you share insights into building a strong online presence and leveraging social media for business development for the layman or the people or the business owner that are not
A-
using social media for their businesses?
Actually, there is a very good quote which I love the most. If you don't have food on your table and you don't tell the people that, but then it's your mistake. Okay. So social media is very important, and digital media is very important. If you are doing any the video, you start that journey, and you have to put on the social media. You don't need much care about the people what they are going to think. Just record your journey. You have to be sure about your journey. It's a simple, and it's Facebook and all the media is free for all to upload and all the things. That will cost nothing. Just your attention to record the video, record your message, even type your message, and then go flow.
Okay. And how do you determine when it's the right time to scale or expand your business, and what challenges have you faced during this process?
Actually, and scaling only come when you find that you are not getting enough or you fulfill yourself. Okay. Here is the point where you find the many business may failed. Okay. Reason behind that, they don't have any proper working on which model they want to scale. Like I gave the example of Apple Man. I want to scale in which I want to get scale in more scale in I want to scale. I want to go to the more countries. It's totally depending objective. Okay. So
Okay.
scaling and all the must be objective, and that's a simple process.
And how
Right time,
yes,
the right
continue.
time. Every business have different. You, you are a business owner must have the understanding that it's the right time or not.
Very nice. And how many people are currently working on your business?
We have 35 people of 35 team.
Very nice. Very. And are there any specific market or region you are targeting for future growth?
Yes, we are working for the all GCC. We are planning to go, so we have some operation in pipeline for the Qatar and as well as. So we are working on.
Very nice. And how do you define and measure success in your business? Are there any specific key uh,
Yes,
KPIs that you
very,
focus?
very, very simple. Sales.
Okay, you determine through the sales of the business.
Only yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
As I told before, I'm very much specific about the money and all the things. So your business success is about sale. If I tell that my business success related to the customer which I meet or all the things, that will be, I think, not relevant and don't make any sense. My success and KPI is only totally depend on the sale.
okay. So, can you share a milestone or achievement that you're particularly proud of in your business journey?
Yeah, the 2,500 video reviews from the different nationality is a milestone, and we are working for the 5,000.
Okay, very nice. And I am ran out of questions, and yeah,
I can understand. No issue, no issue.
you answer these questions very quickly, and I'm amazed. And thank
Thank you
you
so much.
for
Thank you so much. Actually, I have a meeting, then meeting on 6 o'clock. Otherwise, I'll have to join you more. I really like your energy as well as, and wish you very best of luck for your future.
thank you, Vesbhai. Inshallah, we will do
Yeah, you're
uh,
welcome. Yes,
future.
for sure, for sure, for
Okay,
sure, for
thank
sure.
you.
Do share your feedback as well as report. Okay.
Okay, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank,
Take care.
thank you so much. Thanks. I love you.
Allah Hafiz.